all the comments and likes and views for the last video. So today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make this paper airplane, and this is actually the world record paper airplane for longest distance, and this is how it flies. So without any delays, let's get started. I'm going to teach you how to fold it. So first, fold this down like that and crease sharply. I'm using a printer paper. Now unfold and fold it the other way. And again, crease sharply. Now unfold and fold this edge to this crease. Now fold this edge to this crease. Like that. Now fold this down on this point. Like that. Now fold this edge to the middle, right over this edge. Like that, and repeat with this side. Now mount and fold it. And now we just need to make the wings. So fold this down and make it start almost at that point. And now when you fold it, you should see this triangle. Fold it so that triangle just disappears. Like that. And turn over and make sure the two wings match, because symmetry is really important in paper airplanes. And now you're done. You may need to add just a little bit of uplift, so just curve the wings up like that. Just a little bit. And now you're done, and this should fly really good. Okay, now that we completed it, it should look something like this, and let's see how it flies. Please try and let me know your comments. Bye, see you in the next video.